Hello folks, this is Lakshmi Prem Kumar. Welcome to Spice Kitchen. Today's Diwali special recipe is sweet somas. A very popular sweet known by various names. Sweet somas in Tamil Nadu, Kajikailo in Andhra Pradesh, Karanji in Maharashtra. So let's see how to do it. I have taken 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of rava, and mixing it well. Adding a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Instead of ghee, oil can also be added. Mix it into a very hard dough. Let it not be very soft. It should be quite hard. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the stuffing. I'm taking 1/4 cup of roasted Bengal gram dal. Please roast it slightly before adding it to the blender and grind to a fine powder. I'm taking 1/2 cup of sugar and I'm adding 3 cardamoms to it with the skin. After grinding it, just remove the outer peel and then grind to a fine powder again. Set it aside. I'm adding 1/4 cup of grated coconut and I'm roasting it till it turns to a light brown color. So after it turns to a light brown color, I'm adding all the 3 together. That is the powdered gram dal, the powdered sugar with cardamom, and the roasted coconut. So in goes all the 3, and I'm adding some chopped cashews to give a slight crunch. I'm mixing it quite well so that all the flavors are spread equally. So now we have the stuffing ready. Let's go to make the outer covering of the somas. So rested dough, we'll just take it and make small balls out of it. And I'm flattening it and rolling it like a roti. So gently rolling it. And if you have the molds ready to do the somas, it makes your job more easy. I'm applying the sides of the mold with a little bit of ghee or oil so that the dough doesn't stick to it. The flattened roti goes on top of the mold with the stuffing in the center. And now gently press it and remove the excess dough and press it well so that the dough sticks well. Gently remove it, and here you have the patty ready. In case you don't have the molds, no worries. Just flatten like small rotis, place the stuffing in the center, apply water onto the edges and fold it into half and press the edges properly. The dough should stick properly. Take a fork and make these designs onto the edges of the somas. Here we have the patties ready. I'm going to deep fry it on low flame. Let it be medium hot oil and deep fry it on low flame. Only then it will become more crispy. So deep fry on the other side as well, keeping it on low flame. And here we have the crispy, easy and tasty somas or karanji or kajikailo ready. Store it in airtight containers and enjoy with the Festival of Lights.